Welcome guys, today we have got this packaging from Amazon. So this is an extension cord. So while opening this, actually I have cut this before only, so I want to give you some information about it. So first of all, it is known as extension cord because you can use it for purposes like if you wanted to if you want like some charging points, you can use it for broadband connection, different places where you need electricity. It is not always possible that you have some convenient places to keep it, so for that purpose we use this. It is also known as spike guard. As you can see, it is written here, spike guard. So it is known as spike guard because it will store your it will protect your electronic devices from some short circuits, and it is not necessary that it will protect from it will not protect that much, but it can protect up to 60 and 70%. So before seeing this, let's read what is given here. First of all, it is a 4 socket with single switch spike guard. Then these are some 4 universal socket, auto detect wire connection, fuse protection, on off switch, power on indicator, 1.5 meter power cord. Some more things are written here, like areas of application. You can use it for these things like computer, home appliances, offices, television set, music system, VCD, DVD, etc. Then here also the same thing is written. If we check it back here, so here some more things are about its design, feature, safety instruction, technical specification. If we look at the price is 475, but you can get it at discount at different sites. So it is manufactured in Uttarakhand, and I guess that is all it is written up here. So let's check this out now. So first of all, this is white in color. As said earlier, it is having 4 sockets, and they have given it a nice sleek design about writing it like computer, monitor, printer. I mean, you can use different things also, but it is just written like that. So there is this is the fuse, I guess. Yeah, this is the fuse which is going to protect your electronic devices. Then there are many different things are getting RFI filter, EMI filter. These are going to do different things. The wire is, as mentioned earlier, 1.5 meter long, so you can use it for your convenience at wherever you want to place. One more thing that I wanted to tell about is that we bought it from Amazon and the real price is 472, but we got it at 389 rupees. So it is up to reach, and you can buy it from Amazon, not just Amazon, from any other site which you want. And this looks really nice, and I have used this kind of stuff earlier also, so I can totally recommend it to you. And if you like this video, please watch it. Please like, share and subscribe, and if you want more such videos, please view our channel again and again. Thank you so much for watching.